mar fad. So leis an Teoirim seo. So we're going to scríbh like go hifagul, but then bris she say unascanin sé keel. So Más Fréamh. And again, this is when we're talking about Bhfréamhcacha. Tá sé sin déanta gin le algaber le feimine a cumá, but beag sé déanta gin an seo. So Más Fréamh de cuid na cothormód. So where we have A, Z, igucht N, moda B for Z, igucht N luda hain, moda, and then D, Z, moda C. So A, B, C, D, marval the or. Now that's actually fear tavakduk. They all have to be ray diverga. So I'll just scribe mar on litter shin. Okay, it's rud fear vioge shin. Orinthe ní déana sé really ein difriocht nar atá an ceist seo dhéanamh gin, ach déanaach sé an difriocht den na ceisina seo. So A, B, C, D, all the coéfachtaí agus C, like the constant term on Tarvashak on Shin, they all have to be real in on a school mar now show usad basically. So anyway, rock me right on Shin. Is Fréamh A on Z Comhcuaingeacha freshen. Then Cormod seo. So Más rud é go Z mar ceann den na Bhfréamhcacha den rud seo. Cílíonn sé sin go Z Comhcuaingeacha mar ceann den na Bhfréamhcacha. So it means that we know straight away if they only give us ceann wandómh, we have gá ceann because beg sé mar ceann dómh cumá. Let's say show when we have A, Z, igucht N on piece of shin, that could just be do Z cearnatha, moda rudeganella Z, moda hain, like cean cearnach mar sin cosúil le na cothormódaí cearnacha atá go in lein algaber. Now we're not going to rate it sin, they're just sampling, but currently me su sampling níos crine again sec. So not é sin she is mar sampla. Or we could have Z cubaha, Moda 3Z cearnatha, moda 4Z, luda cuig cormlanod. So godira cosúil in a question where we have X cubaha, moda 3X cearnatha, moda 4X, and luda cuig cormlanod. It's just lenacin shin le X níl ifriga celtica gest, but lenacin Z tá ifriga celtica gest. Agus leis é sin, do you know when we're using the formula where we have X is cormla luda B, moda luda, and Fréamh cearnach, B cearna, luda carry C, Hardoe, right? The whole reason why we're talking about na cothormódaí or na Ifrica Comhcuaingeacha is when we have this and it's níos lú ná nád. So again, where we have this and maybe it's Fréamh cearnach luda car. So we have to scríbe sin mar Fréamh cearnach a car, fá Fréamh cearnach luda hain, which we know is do I. So Lena cín le hain algaber, if they're coming up with X cearnatha and do X mode or whatever, like na cothormódaí cearnacha le X, is beag an chance go bhfuil siad ceangata le Ifrica Comhcuaingeacha, but an sin ar tá siad ag teach suas le Z, we know that tá Bhfréamhcacha Celtica a gceist. So ribh seo, we were faking there, okay, it's not ag bula leis an X ash, but that doesn't mean we can't find any roots. Now, na Bhfréamhcacha atá núsáid gin are Bhfréamhcacha Celtica, and now we can ibrigamach cadichin. So suas godi an bhainte seo, if we were given ceann mar seo and we had like X cearnatha moda, cuig X moda, shocked cormlanod, okay? Let's say that we can't find, now again, buine mé úsá sample cart again sec, but let's say we cur é sin a formula and we go luda B, moda, luda, and we get on Fréamh cearnach the luda car mar dort me an sin. Now we can terrorise leis sin, and we don't stop at that point and go níl aon Bhfréamhcacha, tá Bhfréamhcacha Celtica, and now we're going to figure out cadíd na Bhfréamhcacha Celtica sin. Okay, so that's on rud. Cosúil lena cín le cubatha, you could be given a ceist few better aran derdín. Who knows? You could be given a ceist and it'll tell you to find out all of the fréamhacha the sin. So you'll find one of them, or you could be given a factor. You could be given X luda hain is count in a factory shin, Bhfréamhcacha na gá factoriella. Okay, and you know that you do your rind fada leis shin, or you cur X is cohram le hain is down, kun shekin of umul she ceanhándómh so thought mata daint gwinner shin, agus a nish is féidir lena keshna yin of a nish le Z. Agus ein or ina bhfuil fréamhcearnach lúda rud éigean ag teach suas, then is féidir linn é a scríobh mar A móda BI. So, just ag dog arascadí an theorem seo, an rud atá a kind faoi is, on slíana bhfuil sé scríofa mar sin, it's just considering any different option where you have n and n luda hain. So again, if it's count cubach, then that one would be carnach, on cé cean ella would just be z, agus on sin on termas of resh. If you know that cean aháin then a fréamhacha or z, so fréamhacha, so cost seo. If Z is cean ahándómh, A móda BI, it means that therefore we know that Z cúngach is on cean aháin eladómh, where it's A luda BI. Okay? And that's only if all of the numbers ceangata leis an piece of sin are réadach. If they're not réadach, then we can't use on theorem seo. Okay? So let's fig sample bioga. I'll cur a bhór noti come off so you guys can talk she say sure.